Hello guys, welcome back to Cabello and welcome to update for month number 8 of using Minoxidil. So let's just get right into it. Here's my left side. You can see here. Yeah, the hair is getting pretty long right now. This is the longest I've ever let my beard grow. But here's that spot. It's getting filled in now. You can see there's new hairs here, which is nice to see. And then because it's longer, I feel like it's covering this patch more. So it's not as noticeable. Then this connection is basically complete, as you can see. Underneath, there's some progress on there. There's still like this patch here, but there's definitely progress up here, which is nice to see as well. So moving on to the mustache. This is what I have so far. Ton of transitionals still, but at least they're there, right? Better than nothing. So yeah, here's the underlip area. There's these new hairs here, and this patch here is getting fuller as well, even with some, I think, terminal hairs, to be honest. Right here, there's the transitionals right up around my lips, and the little soul patch, and that's the chin area, and underneath. All right, so moving to the right side, you can see here this connection. It's better, definitely better. I mean, it's not complete or anything, but it's looking better, I think. These hairs right here, for some reason, grow to the right, like they grow this way. So it's kind of like different from this area. But it's kind of good in a way because it covers this patch here, my right side, which by the way is getting better, I think, as well. I think I'm making a lot of progress. I mean, honestly, it doesn't look half bad. So yeah, I recently got a haircut, as you can see. Got the fade, let the top longer. And yeah, so basically I'm gonna be letting my beard grow. Right now it's been a month and like 2 days. So this is the longest I've ever let it grow. And I just wanna see, honestly, what it's gonna look like at around the 3-month mark. Doesn't mean I'm gonna keep it. Probably gonna shave it, but I just wanna try and experiment with it. And I know it's really patchy and all that, but I don't really have like any high hopes for it. I just want to try it, really kind of experiment and do something different with it. So yeah, be sure to look out for that. See what this looks like in 3 months. And yeah, wish me luck. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.